I hated on Airpods before I got them. I waited 2 years after release to pick some up, and within a week I realized they're great in bed, at the gym, by the pool, and they're now part of my phone, wallet, keys, AirPods pocket check every time before I leave the house. Let's take a step back and I'll explain it all. Apple Earpods. Decent sound quality, they never fall out of my ears, they're easy to use, and they're free with an iPhone or $30. Apple Airpods. Decent sound quality, they never fall out of my ears, they're easy to use, basically just wireless earpods, and they're $160. Who in their money-savvy, bang-for-the-buck mindset would spend more than 5 times the cost of earpods for the same exact sound quality and comfort from essentially the same headphones without wires that just look like half a toothbrush? But then, I started to run. I ran errands, I ran conference calls, and I ran on the treadmill. I realized that AirPods are like the Amazon of headphones. Yeah, you can go buy stuff at the Apple Store or Best Buy or Target, but Amazon just makes it so easy, and that's exactly what the AirPods are. Every other wireless headset, regardless of sound quality, just doesn't compare. AirPods make it so easy. My mom set these up without FaceTiming me for help, and that is worth all the money in the world. Sound quality, style, and being wireless are not the main selling points of AirPods. Ease of use, comfort, and long battery life is where it's at, and I'll tell you why those are important. But since you're watching this video, you probably have a list of reasons of why you don't want to get AirPods. First one probably being, what happens if I lose an AirPod? Well, what's nice is the Find My iPhone app also has Find My AirPods. So when you lose them, they beep until you pick them up from under the couch. Nice. Also, you might be worried, what happens when the AirPod dies? What if I'm on a plane and I need to charge it and I don't have a charger nearby? Well, the awesome thing is the case is actually the charger for the AirPods themselves. So I charge the case once, maybe twice a week with heavy usage, and every 15 minutes that you put the AirPods themselves inside the carrying case gets you 3 hours of listening time. But what about not having volume control on the side? You can still control volume on your phone using the rockers on the side, or you can say, hey Siri, turn up the volume. And she will. The real magic of AirPods is felt the very first time you transition from speakerphone or car Bluetooth to the AirPods. All you have to do is take the AirPod out of the case, put it into your ear, and that's it. It magically transitions to the AirPod. If you're listening to music with both of them in and you take one out, the music automatically pauses for you, and as soon as you put the headphones back in, it hits play for you. There's no additional steps. And this is that Amazon effect. This is the one-click ordering. This is the super easy Prime delivery and shipping. This is the not having to worry about what charging cable to bring or how often to charge it. This is the magic that is the $140 price difference between EarPods, AirPods, and any other wireless headphones.